Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So I know you guys have all been in this scenario where you're wondering how much wire is on your roll, okay? So did you know that every gauge of wire has a resistance to it per foot? So let me show you what they are. So 18 gauge wire is 6.5 ohms per 1,000 foot, and that converts for our reasons, because our rolls are only 250 normally, 0.65 ohms per 100 feet. So let me show you how this works. So what you want to do is strip both ends of your wire. Usually you have the one that you wrapped in, partial that you used, and the other side is usually right up in there too. So you just strip both ends. Then you take your meter on this smaller roll, and you're going to put your leads and check your ohms, okay? This one happens to be 0.2 ohms, okay? This larger roll ended up being, so same thing, just strip both ends, make sure you use the same color of wire, right? It ended up being 1.5 ohms. So we have those two values. Let me show you how we convert that. All right, guys, larger roll. So we know that we're 0.65. And this all, it doesn't matter. You're gonna get it without moving the decimal points around. But let's say you're gonna put 1.5 into, you could put it into 0.65. It doesn't matter. You're gonna get 2.3 something. So we know that that's 2.3. So that goes into that 2.3 is how many times 0.65 goes into 1.5 is basically what we're looking for. So it's basically it'd be 0.65 into 1.5. So I got the decimal point in the wrong spot, but you get it. 0.65 into 1.5 because we're 0.65 per 100 feet, okay? And that's what our actual ohm reading was. So that's 2.3 or 2 and 3 times the amount, okay? So you times that by your 100. Gives you 230 feet. That's how much is on our larger roll. Smaller one, we read 0.2 ohms. So what you do is you put that into your 0.65 per 100 feet, and it spits out it'd be actually 32.5. So we know we got about 32.5 feet of thermostat wire on the smaller roll. So that's how we did that, guys. So without having to unroll it and measure it, we know that we have 32.5 feet here. We have 230 feet here. And that makes sense because I remember pulling about 15 to 20 feet off this guy the other day, brand new roll of 1810. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully I explained it okay for you. So basically you're just going to take your ohm reading, divide it into the 0.65 of what it is per 100 feet, and figure it out from there. Or you multiply it if it's a higher value. So there you go. This is all in the electrical code book too. So just thought I'd share that with you real quick. Thanks for watching, guys.